Turning 60 is a major milestone, a stage of life where wisdom, experience, and reflection often take center stage. But along with these gifts of age come certain physical changes that shouldn't be ignored. One of the most common issues people face after 60 is the gradual weakening of bones and joints. Suddenly, things like standing up from a chair, walking long distances, or even opening a jar can become uncomfortable or even painful. What's behind these changes? As we grow older, our bone density naturally decreases, a condition known as osteopenia or osteoporosis, making bones more fragile and more prone to fractures. At the same time, the cartilage that cushions our joints begins to wear down, which can lead to stiffness, swelling, and reduced mobility. These changes don't happen overnight, but their effects can be significant over time, especially without proper support from diet and lifestyle. The good news is that you have more control than you think. While age-related wear and tear is natural, the right nutrition can make a world of difference. And when we talk about nutrition, we don't just mean food. What you drink plays a powerful role in maintaining healthy joints and bones, yet this is often overlooked. Drinks can be a simple, convenient, and enjoyable way to deliver essential nutrients that reduce inflammation, one of the leading causes of joint pain. Boost collagen production, which supports cartilage and joint flexibility. Rebuild bone strength through minerals like calcium and magnesium. And even relieve stiffness and swelling, improving overall mobility. Whether it's a healing broth rich in collagen, a soothing herbal tea, or a glass of plant-based milk fortified with bone-building nutrients, the right beverages can provide daily support for your musculoskeletal system. They're not just healthy, they're easy to prepare and incorporate into your routine. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most effective drinks you can add to your day that support your joint comfort and bone strength. These aren't exotic or hard-to-find remedies, they're everyday ingredients with scientifically supported benefits. So whether you're dealing with arthritis, recovering from a fall, or simply want to stay mobile and independent longer, this guide is for you. Let's begin our journey toward better movement, less pain, and stronger bones, one sip at a time. 1. Bone broth, natural collagen and minerals. Bone broth is one of the oldest and most effective natural remedies for joint and bone health. For people over 60, whose joints may begin to lose elasticity and strength, this drink is especially valuable. It's rich in collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential components for maintaining healthy bones and cartilage. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body and the main building block of joints, tendons, and ligaments. Over time, the body produces less collagen, and this affects mobility, flexibility, and strength. Bone broth helps replenish collagen naturally, without artificial supplements. In addition to collagen, bone broth contains minerals that help prevent osteoporosis, a common condition among older adults. These minerals are in a form that's highly bioavailable, meaning the body absorbs them more easily. Another benefit of bone broth is its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of joint pain and stiffness. Regular consumption of bone broth can help reduce inflammation and provide noticeable relief. You can make bone broth at home using beef, chicken, or fish bones. Add vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions, simmer it slowly for 8 to 12 hours. The longer the cooking time, the richer the broth in nutrients. You can freeze portions and drink a cup daily. If you don't have time to cook it, look for ready-made broths in stores, but be sure to choose options without additives or excess sodium. Bone broth also supports gut health, which indirectly benefits joint health. A healthy digestive system improves nutrient absorption, including the very minerals that are so vital for your joints and bones. 2. Turmeric with warm water or milk, natural anti-inflammatory support. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural spices with strong anti-inflammatory effects. Its main active ingredient, curcumin, has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, including in conditions like arthritis and osteoarthritis. With age, inflammation becomes a low-level background process that damages cartilage and causes pain. Turmeric helps block inflammatory molecules, reducing swelling and discomfort. The best way to include turmeric in your diet is by drinking it with warm water or milk. One popular option is the so-called golden drink, turmeric milk. Simply warm a cup of milk, dairy or plant-based like almond or oat, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, to enhance absorption, and a little honey if desired. If you don't tolerate milk well, just dissolve turmeric in warm water. Drinking this mixture in the morning on an empty stomach helps reduce inflammation and gently activates metabolism. Many seniors report reduced reliance on painkillers and greater ease of movement with regular turmeric use. Keep in mind, the effect builds up over time. It's not instant, but consistent use brings results. Turmeric also supports digestion, liver function, and brain health, making it a versatile addition to your wellness routine. Important: if you have chronic conditions or take medications, especially blood thinners, consult your doctor before using turmeric regularly. 3. Tart cherry juice, natural pain and inflammation relief. Few people realize that tart cherry juice is a powerful natural remedy for joint pain. It's rich in anthocyanins, plant pigments with potent anti-inflammatory properties. These pigments give cherries their vibrant color and healing benefits. Older adults often suffer from joint inflammation, morning stiffness, and pain during movement. Research shows that regular consumption of tart cherry juice helps reduce pain and swelling and improves mobility. It's particularly effective in managing gout, a condition caused by uric acid buildup in the joints. Tart cherry juice helps lower uric acid levels in the blood, reducing the frequency and severity of gout attacks. Choose 100% pure tart cherry juice without added sugars or preservatives. 1 glass per day is enough. Drink it in the morning or evening. Some seniors note that drinking cherry juice at night also improves sleep, thanks to its natural melatonin content. If the juice tastes too sour, you can dilute it with water or mix it with other natural juices like apple or beet juice. You can also use frozen cherries in smoothies or make homemade cherry tea or compote. All forms deliver health benefits. 4. Almond milk with additives, strengthening bones without lactose. As we age, many people develop lactose intolerance, and regular dairy milk can cause bloating or discomfort. A great alternative is almond milk. It's lactose-free and often fortified with calcium and vitamin D, both crucial for strong bones. Calcium is the primary building block of bones. After age 60, the body's ability to absorb calcium declines, leading to an increased risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Almond milk, especially fortified versions, helps gently restore calcium levels. Vitamin D is essential for absorbing calcium effectively. Without enough vitamin D, even a calcium-rich diet may not protect your bones. Choose unsweetened almond milk to avoid excess sugar. You can enhance its health benefits by adding a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and anti-inflammatory effect, ground flaxseed or chia seeds for omega-3s, a bit of turmeric or cocoa for variety and added nutrients. Drink it in the morning or before bed. It's light and easy to digest. If you're not a fan of almonds, try other plant-based milks, soy, oat, or sesame milk, as long as they're calcium and vitamin D fortified. 5. Ginger tea, warm relief for joints. Ginger is not just a spice, it's a natural medicine. The root contains gingerol, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger tea is especially beneficial for people with arthritis, rheumatism, or chronic joint pain. Ginger helps to reduce swelling, improve blood circulation in joint tissues, relieve morning stiffness. To make ginger tea, slice a few pieces of fresh ginger, pour boiling water over them, and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. You can enhance the flavor and benefits by adding honey, for sweetness and antiseptic effect, lemon, for vitamin C, cinnamon, to boost anti-inflammatory power. This drink is warming and soothing, especially great during colder months or after physical activity. You can enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily, morning and evening. Some prefer to make a stronger ginger decoction, simmering the root for 10 minutes. Ginger also aids digestion and metabolism, making it ideal for seniors with reduced physical activity. Important: if you have high blood pressure, ulcers, or take blood thinners, talk to your doctor before drinking ginger tea regularly. Joint and bone health after 60 isn't just about medication and supplements, it's about daily habits. One of the simplest ways to support your body is by incorporating healing drinks rich in nutrients. Let's recap the top 5 drinks. Bone broth, collagen and minerals for joint support. Turmeric with warm milk or water, natural inflammation relief. Tart cherry juice, reduces pain and swelling, especially in gout. Almond milk, lactose-free calcium for strong bones. Ginger tea, warming and anti-inflammatory. Try adding at least one of these drinks to your daily routine. Over time, you may notice easier movement, less stiffness, and overall better well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about their health. See you again on Nutrition for Seniors.